Today I'm going to tell you about an amazing app that is Next Money. So let's start with the presentation. After demonetization and digitalization got new birth, and to support digitalization, many existing applications got exposure and many new applications came in existence like Paytm, MobiKwik, Freecharge, Oxygen Wallet, etc. Even government launched their own Bheem app to support digitalization, but they only made us their customers. So after many research and studies, we launched Next Money to support digitalization and provide earning opportunities along with digital services to get rid from unemployment through our B2B distributor for first time in India. So these are some apps which were launched like Paytm, MobiKwik, Oxygen Wallet, and many more in B2C module. B2C means business to customer and B2B means business to business. Vision. The vision of becoming open wallet and to provide lots of services in traditional and e-commerce business through B2B module, increasing independent earners in India to eradicate unemployment and in future abroad also. Mission. Digital India, Healthy India, Wealthy India. Now few statistics. New Gen IIT started at 11 December 2013. Next Money app was launched on 1st April 2017. It took one complete year for Next Money to reach 100,000 downloads. In next 6 months, the figure will cross 500,000 downloads or more as per current statistics. Tie-up history. By the time Next Money and its user increased, more and more business giants showed interest in working with us. So you can just check out this data. Next Money, one solution to every need. What we are doing is giving our esteemed members a single package of solutions to all their problems. Business part, a user can get all services using one app only. E-commerce, merchant and product purchase, income are provided through Next Shopping, Next Money, Merchant and Next Shopee respectively. So Next Money has three parts: Next Shopping, Next Money Merchant and Next Shopee. So Next Shopping, a unique e-commerce platform to use reward points and earn cashbacks and repurchase in real time. Next Money Merchant, an app for merchants to accept payment through QR codes and keep details of their monthly transactions. Next Shopee, a portal to earn product purchase auto binary income. So now I'll tell how to start it. First, understand complete Next Money business from any Next Money associate or through PowerPoint presentation that can be provided by Next Money customer care by requesting them on Next Money toll-free number. So the step first is sign up. Step second is upgrade for 1770 membership and then refer. So I will give you my referral link in the description box, referral code. Okay, so the person who have explained you about Next Money will give you her referral username, or you may have got referral link through social media. Simply fill up the sign up form, verify OTP and you are signed up. Business, press plus button at bottom right corner of screen after sign up and press upgrade. Fill KYC and nominee details. Select any payments gateway, select suitable transaction method, complete transaction and you will be upgraded. Now refer the app using share referral link option and refer to multiple people using multiple ways. You will get rupees 50 reward point for each sign up. As soon as the people who are being signed up upgrades, you will get rupees 300 per upgrade in your wallet. After you upgrade to our Prime membership program, you get 1500 as reward point that you can use percentage wise. Also, you get 7 great ways of earning all our services shown below, bills excluded. Give users cashback for lifetime without terms and conditions and expiry. These cashback are a kind of savings, and saving is primary earning. So the first is recharge. Next money has four types like recharge, shopping, bookings, bills. You can get these kinds of services. लाइक जो हम डेली लाइफ में हम रिचार्ज कराते हैं, शॉपिंग करते हैं, बुकिंग करते हैं बस की, फ़्लाइट की, होटल की, बिल्स भरते हैं, तो ये सब हम नेक्स्ट मनी के थ्रू कर सकते हैं. और इसमें काफ़ी सारे हमें मतलब benefits मिलेंगे. We'll get a lot of benefits from this, like you can do recharge, shopping, bookings, bills, which are our daily life requirements. Now referral link. Level first, for direct referral get rupees 300 each person. That is 300 multiplied by 5 is equals to 1500 in your wallet. Level second, if your team refer 5 persons each, you will get a team of 25% and incentive will get you rupees 30 each person. That is 25 into 30 is equals to rupees 750 in your wallet. Level third, if your team refer 5 person each, you will get team 125% and incentive will get you rupees 45 each person. That is 125 multiplied by 45 is equals to 5625 in your wallet. Now level 4, if your team refer 5% each, you will get team 625% and incentive will get you rupees 60 per person. That is 625 into 60 is equals to 37,500 in your wallet. Now level 5th, if your team refer 5 person each, you will get team 3125% and incentive will get you rupees 75 each person. That is 3125 multiplied by 75 is equals to 2,34,375 in your wallet. Level 6, if your team refer 5 person each, you will get team of 15,625 person and incentive will get you rupees 90 per person. That is 15,625 into 90 is equals to 14,06,250. Level 7, if your team refer 5 person each, you will get team 78125 person and incentive will get you rupees 105 per person. That is 78,125 into 105 is equals to 82,03,125 in your wallet. Level 8, if your team refer 5 person each, you will get team of 3,90,625 person and you will get rupees 120 per person. That is 3,90,625 multiplied by 120. That is equals to 4.7 crores in your wallet. Level 9th, if your team refer 5 person each, you will get team 19,53,125 person and incentive will get you rupees 135 per person. So the final rupees in your wallet will be 26.5 crores. And level 10th, if your team refer 5 person each, you will get team of 9,865,625 person and incentive will get you rupees 150 each person. That is total 146 crores in your wallet. So total rupees 178 crores you can earn from this app. Ratio of working up to level 10. Total earning will be rupees 178 crore 100%, rupees 89 crore 50% अगर वर्क करते हैं तो, एंड रुपीज़ 17.8 करोड़ 10% वर्क करते हैं तो 10% वर्क होता है. तो इफ़ यू आर ओनली डूइंग 1% देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट 1.78 करोड़ रुपीज़ इन योर वॉलेट अगर 1% वर्क करते हैं तो.
1% भी वर्क होता है.
Now team royalty income along with cashbacks and referral income, our Next Money premium member gets team royalty income in following ways. Silver royalty, when you have 5 direct upgrades and minimum 1 upgrade in every level, till level 10, you achieve silver royalty and you get 1% up to unlimited depth in differential. Gold royalty, when you have 5 direct silvers, you achieve gold royalty and you get 2% in differential up to unlimited depth. Diamond royalty, when you get 5 golds in your 5 lakhs till level 10, you achieve diamond royalty and you get 3% in differentials up to unlimited depth. Next slide. Company royalty income. Crown diamond royalty. When you get 5 diamonds in any 5 lakhs till level 10, you achieve crown diamond company royalty and 1% of companies joining turnover will be divided among all crown diamond achievers. That's great. Merchant royalty. Merchant addition in our app is free from merchant app application, which is only done by our Next Money app distributor, and merchant need to give some discount to our distributor. Suppose merchant offer 10%, our software divides it in 5 parts. So this is 10% discount and its 5 parts are as following. 7.5% customer can use a 7.5% from his reward points. 1% of the discount will be given to the person who has referred that merchant to Next Money. 0.5% will be distributed to the above 10 levels of the Next Money customers, and 0.5% will be distributed to the above 10 level of the merchant referrer, and 0.5% will be given to the company. Repurchase income. 25% of cashback is given up to 10 level as a repurchase. So whatever transaction is done by team, shopping, booking, recharge, etc., you will get income from that transactions. Auto binary income. To activate auto binary income, you have to purchase one product from our Next Shop app. Whatever will be the price of the product will be your daily capping. The placements of binary IDs will be completely dependent on the IDs in referral plan. Your capping will be your cumulative purchase in up to 1 lakh per day. Suppose you have 5 people in your direct in the referral plan. Their IDs will be placed automatically in the following way. Just look at this clip art. Now our Alexa ranking. nextmoney.in free traffic ranks site worth, server location, DNS report for nextmoney.in. You can just check this out if you want more information about Next Money. Like its global rank is 10,55,506. Delta. This is all ranks. So next slide, our startup ranking all over the world. Next Money innovative ways of earning. Simple and rewarding way to recharge mobile, DTH and data card in India. Next Money Recharge is an online portal to provide world-class services to its customer, a business unit of Next Money Enterprise, a company registered in Pune. Our partners, affiliates, Amazon, Flipkart. You guys might heard about this. Big Rock, Oyo, Coofs, Make My Trip, Shein, Shoppers Stop, Nykaa, Titan, Myntra, Bata. Awards and recognition. Bangkok Award, Dubai Award, Rajiv Gandhi, Shiromani Award, and many more recognitions by professionals. Digital Women Award 2017, Digital Women Award 2018 presented by Axis Bank, Digital Women Award 2018 presented by Axis Bank. Direct Selling Awareness Program in Shimla, Direct Selling Awareness Program in Lucknow, UP. Guest of Honors at Bharat Darshan National Award Program with Maharashtra State Child Rights Protection Commission Minister. 100rupees.com presents Pune's Best Company Awards 2017. Training programs and seminars. Training programs and seminars. There are some pictures of all this. Goa tour November 2018. These are some of the pictures of that Goa tour 2018. Dubai trip and recognition February 2017. Next Money recognition in Dubai. Designer Next Fashion Show. Designer Next Fashion Show. And these are some legals.
Document.
Documents, incorporation, GST, provisional list of direct selling entities,
Next gen.
next gen, inventive information technology. We are now the first company in service sector to have our name in the provisional list of direct selling entities. Legals, MSME certification, trademark, income tax department, government of India, certificate of commitment, certificate of nomination, next gen inventive information technology, PVT. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and make sure you just download this app and like the video, subscribe my channel and download the app. Don't forget to download it, and paste my referral link that would be given in the description box. Thank you so much.
हो गया बंद?
वो तो